Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Motovlog Brownie. I hope you guys are doing good. And by this, we are going to start with our new video with a new vehicle today, which is an electric. I would say premium electric scooter in the segment. So, which is from the brand M2Go, called as Civitas. Civitas is a model name from an M2Go. So this model is only available for you in the Athias showrooms. So Athias is one of the showroom in Mysuru, which is a multi-brand electric showroom, which has different brands and different vehicles in it, and there are a lot of options under one roof for you. So if you ask me why Civitas, I would say because of this premium feel what you are getting in this scooter, we would like to go with Civitas. This model is an registration model which needs a registration because of the higher speed and a battery and a motor. So there is a speciality in the motor here. The motor is manufactured from Bosch, which is a motor which is present here, and it is 2 kilowatt. When we talk about the battery is again detachable that you are going to get, and the battery is 72 volts and 29 Ah battery, which is there in this vehicle. So the charging time is also very much important, right? So the charging time of this vehicle is 3 to 4 hours. So you will get it fully charged in that. So the range is almost 100 kilometer that is claimed by the company, but as per the testing and whatever the customer's feedback that Athias is getting, it's almost 85 to 90 kilometer is what the range for one charge. So this vehicle somewhere weighs almost 110 kilos. Its loading capacity is up to 200 kgs that it can accommodate one of the rider and a pillion very comfortably. I think one of the speciality, if you could see, a lot of electric vehicles we have also seen and you have also seen, and there is one thing which this bike offers is a footrest for the ladies. So you can see right here, you have a metal footrest there, not a plastic one. So when you talk about the colors, you are going to get it in 4 different colors. This color, what you are seeing right now, is called as a Sultan. Sultan, they mean that it is a mixture of 3 different colors. And the other colors which are available is black, white, and even red. So based on your liking, you can choose it. My personal favorite for now is going to be this Sultan color. So when it comes to the tire and a suspension, you have a tubeless tire at both the end of this, and the suspensions, you have a telescopic suspension right there at the front, and twin shock absorbers I would say at the rear for better comfort. So with almost a top speed of 80 to 85, braking is also really important, and you have both disc brakes here at the front and the rear. So you have better stopping power also, that we are going to test it in our ride review very soon in this video itself. Wait till the end for that, and we'll be there for the test ride review as well. So here we are now talking about the instrument cluster. So this is how basically looks, and what do we have? So this look is in some sort of a retro look that you can see the circle right there, and it is semi-digital, and you have a you have a speedometer right here. So in here in the digital, what you see is a battery level, time, the speedometer and the odometer. So all of these are available right here. The battery now you are seeing is full. So what are the switches for us here? High beam, low beam switch, the indicators. So the indicator also, you will get the indication right here. So high beam, low beam, and so we have on. So here if you see, we have a hazard switch also. So if I turn this on, so all the 4 indicators will start blinking.
So what else we have? We have a kind of engine kill switch as like a petrol scooter and an IC engine, and start button right here. So here we have a sort of a storage for us to put few things. So you need to insert the key and you have to pull it down. So here you can put your belongings. I think that is possible. This is the only area that you can put it. Here nothing can be placed. So this is what is available for you. If you see here, so this is where you charge your phones. The USB port is available as well. I'm going to ask where do you charge your vehicle? So this is where the place it is. You charge your scooter directly with a cable, and you can detach the battery and you can charge it at the home also, which is possible. So you have a button to open this footrest. So if you click this, so this is how it opens. I think to open the boot space, to open the seat, so you need to turn this to the left completely, and you will just lift your seat. So this is how. Here you go. So here you see the battery. Both the sides we have a disc brake for this. So here you see the disc brake at the rear. At the front also it is available for you. In the suspension front you have a telescopic suspension, the number one. Rear, if you see, you have a dual suspension, just like this. So here, so these are the two keys available with the vehicle, and when you talk about the keys, you have a quite common key around all the brands vehicles that whatever we have right here in Atyas. So here what you get is the unlock, is a lock, and to stop ramming, and keyless entry. You can press this and start, unlock. So by pressing this you can keep this keys in your pocket and start riding. So that's how this works.
I think this premium electric scooter you are going to get in a price range of 1.26 lakhs with all the registration charges, and everything is included. You only have to spend 1.26 lakhs. I mean 1,26,000 rupees. I think when you are buying something, warranty is also very much important, and this vehicle comes with a warranty of 3 years for the battery. So 1 year for motor, controller and a DC converter. So almost you will get 3 years warranty for this vehicle.
So we are heading towards a test ride. We'll do a test ride of this. So this is how it looks from the, it was in the showroom, right? So if you look at outside, this is how it looks. I hope you guys have liked the looks of this. I think you can comment it out on what aspect you liked and which one you would like to compare with. So let's get on and start riding. So my first impression after sitting on this, it just feels really normal as a scooter, petrol scooter. So that's how it should be, right? So I'll turn it on, we'll get that sound. So what we have to do is we just have to click this to turn on. I think now this scooter is started. There is one thing which is not there, is reverse, which is not available on this. Let's go and check it out. So we have a good throttle response in here. Ooh, initial pull is super, guys. We'll check on the top speed a little when we find an empty road. For now, I'm really comfortable on this scooter. It just feels like another scooter, but it gives a feeling of a premiumness. We'll check on the speed. 52, 54, 6. As I said, this is a digital model. 61, 62. When expecting it to be going almost 80. Let's see that. I think there are modes that you can set it up right here. It will go, you know, up to 80 as they said. Just need to check how it has been done. Good feedbacks from the brake. I think for a scooter that was necessary, and it is good. 45. If you need something premium in the electric scooter at a less price, so it's a good deal to go with. Throttle feedback, braking, suspensions are really great. No worries at all in that. It has a good speeds too. You don't have to worry on this. So really good speeds that is available on this. Suspensions, you have seen now we have a lot of potholes that we have ran through. Very comfortable, not at all a problem. We have other two, one is a bike and another one is a scooter segment videos from Matthias itself. You can check that out as well. So a lot of videos are available in our channel. Be it the recently launched Yamaha Aerox, we have that too in our channel, and you can check it out. $69.70. I think that's called, you know, it can go up to 80, you know, I'm pretty sure. Not all a problem in that. But I cannot do it. I'm in the city, right? Cool. So we are done with our ride review. Overall experience was good, and thanks to Atyaz, the Mysore Mobility here in Mysore, for giving us an opportunity to ride this premium scooter.
I hope you guys have liked this video, and please do like, share and even subscribe to our channel, and do visit this showroom, which is called as Mysore Mobility, under the name of Atyaz, which is in New Kantrajaras Road, Mysore. And there are a lot of options available for you, as always, as you know, 3 of the different videos which we have did already on the bike as well, on multiple products from this brand. So you can check it out in my channel. And so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.